Hi friends, it's Julia. I am here with day number 12 of my Christmas catch-up series, and today I'm officially starting 2016. Now, if you guys remember, I pulled together paper and photos and sketches at the very start of the series, or right before I started the series. And so in doing that, I have my sketch. It's a Scrapbook Generation sketch, and it is by Allison Davis. This one is a 2-photo sketch, or sorry, a 3-photo sketch, and I have pulled in 2 photos to use. I have my little sticky note on here telling me the number of photos that I have, the year, and then what my title might be. I'm not sticking to it 100%. I pulled in some papers. I am officially into Echo Park. I have pulled in a couple of scraps, as well as 2 full sheets and then 2 scraps of paper. These are all from 'Tis the Season. Yes. Yeah. Anywho, so this is where I'm starting. I was going to pull in some embellishments and such prior to starting this go around, but I'm not going to. I'm going to show you where I'm at here, and then I'll show you what I finish here in just a second, and I'll show you all the embellishments and everything that I pulled in. I just didn't want to take the time to dig through all of my stuff before I started. So let me get this one done, and I will be back to show you what I have. Okay, friends, I am done with layout number 11. This sheet of puffy stickers from Felicity Jane I pulled in, and what was left on here, I used one little sticker, and then what was left I moved onto another sheet. I just combined them to make it a little easier so I didn't have 2 sheets to go through. This is a carrier sheet for some embellishments that I had, just some small little random pieces left, and I used the last little one of that. As far as background papers go, this is the paper that I used for my primary background. I used a small piece of this, a small piece of this, and then a small piece of this one. Alphabet-wise, I pulled in this set of thickers from American Crafts called Twilight. I have a couple of packages of those, and I had to go into this one to get a T. This is an older set from Close to My Heart, and I actually used this for numbers to create my date. I used another flare from this kit, or that embellishment pack. A couple of flowers from this embellishment pack. A faux flare from this sticker sheet. I used one of the holly leaves from here. And here's the sheet where I moved all of those others to. I had this one, this one, this one, and this one that I all moved onto this sheet. I had from here, I had a little flying pig, and I used this on my granddaughter's layout because one of her favorite toys when she was little bitty was anything Peppa Pig. I used this set of flatback pearls, and I only have 1 left. I used 3 of those. I used 3 from this sheet and 3 from this sheet. I used a couple of stickers. I used a label and a star from these sticker sheets. And then here is my layout. You can see, oh, and I forgot, I used this alphabet from here. I think this is one of those ones that is probably going to go into the do not want bin for whatever I don't get used this time, because most of the adhesive has failed on these and they're fading. They're no longer orangey. They are no longer red. They are more orangey. And for these, I wanted to, let's see, if the light is shining this way, you're going to have shadows here. Okay, so here is the layout that I created. It's not very frou-frou, but it is quite detailed. Up in this cluster, you'll see I did the flatback pearls, the puffy sticker, the faux flare, and then a flower, and then you can see stitching here on the background paper here, here, and then down here. I used a pocket page card here. I put my title down here. It says She's Not Shy, She's Ellie. And then that little bit of leftover on that one carrier sheet I put here. More flatback pearls, a flower, a flare, and then the holly strip. And then here I used a label with the date on it. Flatback pearls, the little leaping pig, and then a star there that says Holly Jolly. And so, yeah. This one is done and ready for the album, and it is the start of 2016, the leftover photos that I have from there that I wanted to get finished up. Anyway, I appreciate you guys for being here. I appreciate you for watching my video. If you're interested in seeing close-ups of the layout, I will have those at the end of the video. I would love it if you would flip me a thumbs up, and I hope you'll be back tomorrow to see another layout in my Christmas catch-up series, Layout a Day. So yeah, I'll see you then. Have a great day, everyone. Bye-bye.